Have you ever stood beneath a star-filled sky, looking up at the countless tiny lights scattered across the darkness, and wondered, is there another Earth out there? A planet just like ours, quietly orbiting a distant star, possibly harboring life? It's a profound question that's captivated humanity for generations, fueling our imagination and driving our curiosity to explore the universe. Today we're living in an extraordinary age of discovery. Astronomers and scientists are using powerful telescopes and advanced technologies to search for distant planets around other stars, known as exoplanets. The goal? To find worlds that resemble Earth, planets that could potentially support life. But how close are we really to finding another Earth? To answer that, we first need to understand exactly what makes our planet so unique. Earth sits comfortably within what's called the habitable zone, or the Goldilocks zone of our solar system. This is the ideal distance from the Sun, not too hot, not too cold, allowing liquid water to exist. Liquid water, as far as we know, is essential for life. So when scientists look for other Earths, they search for planets that share this key characteristic: the ability to host stable liquid water on their surface. Over the past few decades, our search has accelerated rapidly. Space telescopes like Kepler and TESS have scanned vast stretches of space, detecting thousands of planets orbiting distant stars. Among these discoveries are dozens of promising worlds that appear Earth-sized and situated comfortably within their stars' habitable zones. One remarkable planet discovered by the Kepler mission is called Kepler-452b. Often referred to as Earth's cousin, this planet is about 1,400 light-years away and orbits a star similar to our Sun. Kepler-452b is intriguing because it has a year just slightly longer than ours, about 385 days. Scientists speculate it could have conditions similar to Earth, though we still lack the precise data to confirm its atmosphere or surface conditions. Another exciting discovery is Proxima Centauri b, a rocky planet orbiting our closest neighboring star, Proxima Centauri. At just 4.2 light-years away, Proxima b sits within the habitable zone of its star. However, its proximity to a red dwarf star presents unique challenges, such as strong solar flares and radiation, making its habitability uncertain. Finding planets like these is just the beginning. The next critical step is understanding their atmospheres. Why is this important? Because an atmosphere can reveal the presence of gases like oxygen, methane, or carbon dioxide, chemicals that might hint at biological processes similar to those we see on Earth. This is where the groundbreaking James Webb Space Telescope comes into play. Launched in 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, is revolutionizing the way we study exoplanets. With its powerful infrared vision, JWST can peer through cosmic dust clouds and analyze the atmospheres of distant planets with unprecedented detail. Scientists hope that JWST might detect signatures of life or biosignatures in the atmospheres of rocky, Earth-sized worlds. Looking even further into the future, astronomers plan to launch missions such as the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope and the European Extremely Large Telescope. These next-generation instruments will enhance our ability to observe and directly image distant planets, bringing us closer than ever to the elusive discovery of another Earth. However, we must remember that finding an Earth-like planet doesn't automatically mean we've found life. Even within the habitable zone, a planet could have harsh conditions such as toxic atmospheres, extreme radiation, or unstable climates. Therefore, scientists approach each discovery cautiously, understanding that many factors must align perfectly to support life as we know it. Despite these challenges, our progress is undeniably remarkable. We stand at the brink of potentially historic discoveries. With every planet found, every atmospheric reading taken, every star observed, we move incrementally closer to answering that age-old question: are we alone in the universe? Imagine, for a moment, That day in the future when humanity finally confirms the discovery of a true Earth twin, a distant world with clear indications of water, an atmosphere rich in oxygen, and perhaps even signs of life. This achievement would not only revolutionize science, but profoundly change our understanding of ourselves and our place in the cosmos. Ultimately, the search for another Earth is more than just scientific exploration. It's a journey into the heart of human curiosity and imagination. It's about discovering not just new worlds, but new perspectives, possibilities, and understandings. So how close are we to finding another Earth? Closer than we've ever been. Every telescope we launch, every observation we make, brings us a step nearer. While the ultimate discovery might still be a few decades away, the journey itself continues to inspire us all, reminding us that our universe is vast, full of mysteries, and waiting patiently to be explored.